Hey there, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We're here in Matory Ridge neighborhood doing for gutter cleaning, siding cleaning, possibly some roof maintenance. I see some algae starting to grow on the shingles and lots of runoff here to stain the shingles. So we'll get a quote to do that, clean the outdoor windows. But I thought I'd walk around this side of the house here first to show you what I see as a gutter cleaner and what we're going to do about it. So in order for us to service and clean these gutters proper, any of the branches or twigs that are touching your home, we're going to have to get up there and of course, trim those down and make sure that we can service your gutters. And then we're going to want to get that garden out of the gutter that's growing out of there, because that's meant for water, not for branches. I'm noticing that there's some potential gutter repair here where a bracket has come off, so we'll take care of that. And then bird's nest, when we're washing the house down, we'll take that down safely and get that taken care of. Yesterday the rainstorm was just insane, so I noticed when I was walking around the house, this drain here that more than likely is going to need to be rotor-rooted and declogged. So you can see the shingles coming through there, and power flush this out. So one thing that to remind our clients is that your downspouts that let the rain out, your sink has a strainer. It prevents stuff from going down your drain, so that you don't have to call a plumber out to unclog your drains all the time. So the logic would tell most to go ahead and prevent stuff from going down your drains in the first place. So what we encourage our clients to do is to install some type of a downspout filter up there, or to install a better filtering system down here before it goes underground. The strategy, the debris going down your downspouts with bigger 3x4 downspouts like you have here isn't a bad strategy, but you got to make sure you don't let the stuff go underground. So there are ways to divert the debris from getting down underground before it gets there. Any of this algae here, mold or mildew, we're actually going to power wash this. We're going to do a gentle detergent wash. We're going to let that dwell, and it's going to take care of all that mold and algae. Sorry about the long video. We offer a lot of home maintenance service, specialize in exterior cleaning, roof maintenance. So your roof is getting to a point now, based on what I'm seeing from the ground, that you're going to want to go ahead and do some sort of maintenance to it. We offer different options for that, so I'll give you quotes for those services. You may not want to entertain them right now, but something that you can plan for in the future. Or if you'd like, we can bundle all these services together. I can make a couple long days here and get it knocked out efficiently at a discount for you. So take a look at this video at the end of me introducing myself and my services. It talks a little bit about roof maintenance and shingles, and ultimately why shingles today are prematurely failing, and what you can do as a homeowner to extend your life of your shingle. So kind of like anything, your driveway, your deck, your teeth, everything requires maintenance. So that's what we specialize in. Based on what I see now here, you're seeing some shiny shingles here in the corner here, some black algae there. So sign out shingles. You're probably in the range of like a 12 years. I'm assuming this is original to the home, the siding. So any questions you have, don't hesitate to let me know. Take a look at this video here, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.